Hey everybody, so I just wanted to walk you through how you can book your appointment. You're going to go to www.divinealluresalonspa.com. When you reach the main page, scroll down to the second part of the website and you're going to notice where it's going to say Start Salon Experience. Click that button, and when you click that button, you're going to scroll down past to the Returning Clients option and click Start Your Experience. When you click Start Your Experience, it's going to take you to the app where you can enter your username and password. If you don't have one, please be sure to click Join Now. When you click Join Now, you're going to put in your first name, then you're going to put in your last name. You're going to add in your phone number. And then you're going to put your birth date. You can put in your month and your day. And then you're going to go in and add in your email. Once you add in your email, you're going to click Create Account. When you click Create Account, it's going to send you an email where you can go in and get the reset instructions so you can enter into your account. Click Reset Your Password, and then you're going to come up with a confirmation. Choose your own password and come up with a password, and be sure to duplicate that password in the option where it says Password Confirmation. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is click the Finish button. From there, you can see where you can schedule an appointment, and at the top, you also can click Appointments for future appointments as well. Click the Schedule an Appointment, and you're able to select any service that you'd like to click for your appointment. And once you do that, you're going to ask the service provider, search the calendar for a date and time that fits you. There's a cancellation policy that you must agree to. And then from there, you're going to see your appointment schedule.